Hi everyone, great news. Now you can set up your own account on the Riverbend Malt House website where you can track your orders, send us updated account information, and change any of that information as you go to most readily communicate with us. Here's how you do it. Go to riverbendmalt.com, and just in case this is your first order with Riverbend, before moving forward, choose this place an order option up here. Go to new customer application and fill out this brief form before you go to place an order. It's quick and easy, and it gives us the information that we'll need to connect with you about future ordering with Riverbend. Then, once you've filled out this new customer application, you can go over to the top tab where it says Login Register, and it'll show you this page where at the bottom you can choose Register Here, and you'll be prompted to create an account with us. This is different than that new customer application, although some of the information still is the same. Once you create an account, you'll get an email from us where you can confirm that account, and then you can proceed to riverbendmalt.com, choose the My Account option up here, and then log in with that password that you chose. This is what the back end of your account looks like. You'll have a place where you can see all of your past orders and duplicate them. You can change your address with us as needed, and you can also change your account details. So in the event that you have a new point of contact at your company that we should reach out to, you can put that information on here. Another great feature of our website that's been recently updated is you can shop directly on the standard malts page. So you can choose standard malts, choose the type of grain you want to shop for. Let's use rye as an example. And then by the 50-pound increment, you can add the malt directly to your cart from this standard malt page. We're really excited to offer these new updates, and we're also here to help you through the process and answer any questions that you have along the way. Please reach out to us if anything comes up, and thanks so much for being a valued Riverbend customer.